So, how do you divide two fractions? That's really easy if you know how to multiply two fractions. If you don't know how to multiply two fractions, watch the previous video I just made. But you must know how to multiply the two fractions first. Now, let's take a look at the question here. 4 divided by 5 divided by, again, 2 divided by 3. First of all, you're gonna rewrite the first fraction the way it is without changing anything. 4 divided by 5. And then the next fraction, make it upside down. Flip it. 3 goes up, divided by 2 goes down. And the division sign will no longer be division. It will turn into multiplication. So that is your brand new question. 4 divided by 5 times 3 divided by 2. What's that? That will be the answer to the original question here. Alright. And before I go ahead and do the multiplication, I see if I can cancel out some numbers. Yes, 2 will cancel out it here. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So nothing else to cancel each other. 2 times 3, which is 6, divided by only 5. 6 divided by 5 is the answer for the original question here. I'm going to go ahead, I guess you got the point, but I'm going to go ahead and make another example here. And I'm going to rewrite this, right, without any change. Now I'm going to stop. I will make changes here because the question I'm looking at, it's not the lowest term. Let's make this the lowest term. Let's divide both of them by 2. If you do that, that will become 7. 12 will become 6. That's the lowest term. I'm going to write that down here. Not 14 divided by 12. I'm going to write down 7 divided by 6. And here is multiplication sign because that division turns into multiplication. And let's make the line here. Can I simplify that? It's already simplified. I'm just going to switch. 15 goes on top and 8 goes in the bottom as a denominator. So now I'm going to check and see if I can simplify further. And yes, between 6 and 15, I can divide both of them by 3. And when I do that, I'm going to have 6 divided by 3 will give me 2. And 15 divided by 3 will give me 5. And there is nothing else to simplify here. So let's write down the answer. On top, I'm going to have 7 times 5, which is 35. As a denominator, I'm going to have 2 times 8, which is 16. Voila. Time for practice.